Everyone, welcome to my story. Okay, let's start. The north, window, and the sun. They killed about which of them was stronger. Unable to agree, they decided to see which one could make a traveler take off his coat. The north window started contest. He sent a strong blaster of cold air to blow cut the cut off the man's back. Instead of taking his coat, the man wrapped it around his body even tighter. The sun laughed at his opponent's failures. Then he showed his power. He melted the heavy cold from the sky and warmed the head of the traveler. He the man in his heavy coat started to suffer from the heat. At last, um, he unable to take it any longer. He removed his coat and sat down under some trees in the shade. Good, thank you.